Hey there, welcome to Dev Coding Lab, the place where you learn to coding step by step. I am Jeff here. In today's video, we are set up our computer for coding. For that, we download and install VS Visual Studio Code. So this is the website. For download, we click here. Then download for a window because by is window. If you are using Linux or Mac, you can go to download. Then you download here. So I'm Windows user for that reason. I'm downloading Windows Operator. This file is starting downloading. After finishing the download, I will come back. When the download is completed, then double click here to open it. Set to read, you can read it. I ignore it so that I accept all the terms and condition. Then next, then as well next, then create desktop icon, next, then install. Then my installing is finished, so I launch it also. This interface is open. This interface is open for myself. You cannot see the interface when you are open this Visual Studio Code because this is my another project. This is today's video. Hope you are enjoying it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.